Aquatic turtles are personable, popular pets. However, they require large aquarium setups with efficient filtration systems, especially as they grow larger. Semi-aquatic turtles like red-eared sliders, yellow-bellied sliders, painted turtles, African side-neck turtles, and musk turtles split their time between land and water. Aquatic turtles, like soft-shell turtles, prefer to spend most, if not all, of their time in the water. Many semi-aquatic turtles are omnivorous and eat both animal protein and vegetables. Most are more carnivorous as juveniles and then eat more plant material as they age. The diet should include specialized high-quality turtle pellets, dark leafy greens like kale, Swiss chard, bok choy, mustard greens, and a small amount of foods such as fish, pinky mice, insects, or earthworms. Offer a variety of these foods to young turtles and gradually add more green vegetables as they grow older. Your exotic animal veterinarian can guide you on exact proportions of food for your turtle, sources of high-quality pellets, and the need for supplementation for your turtle species. The minimum enclosure size for a hatchling aquatic turtle is a 30-gallon aquarium. Most adults will require a minimum 50-gallon tank. In general, 10 gallons of water is recommended per 1 inch of shell length. More space will allow for ample room for exercise. As a general rule, the water depth should be at least 2 times the length of the turtle's top shell or carapace. The African side-neck turtle lives in more shallow water, so water depth can be 6 to 8 inches for adults. Provide a secure cover or at least 6 inches of air between the surface of the water to the top edge of the tank to prevent the turtle from falling out of the tank during attempts to escape. A submersible aquarium heating unit helps provide the ideal water temperature, which is usually between 72 to 82 degrees, depending on your species of turtle. All aquatic and semi-aquatic turtles need a place to rest and bask under heat and UV bulbs out of the water. Build a secure, non-tippable island on one side of the tank. Use flat, smooth rocks or non-toxic wood resting on submerged bricks or rocks. Floating platforms can also be used as well, but may tip under the weight of a larger turtle. Larger turtles are powerful and persistent. Be sure the island or platform will not collapse and trap and drown the turtle underwater. Provide a combined heat and UVB bulb recommended for your species directly over the island or platform at a distance recommended by the bulb manufacturer. See our video on UV lighting for reptiles for more information. During the day, the light should warm the basking area to 90 to 95 degrees, with the coolest side of the tank no lower than 80 to 85 degrees. At night, when the bulb is switched off, keep the air at least 75 degrees with a nighttime or ceramic bulb. Monitor temperatures with thermometers placed near the hottest point of the basking area and the coolest side of the tank. Do not rely on your home's furnace to keep temperatures warm enough. Material at the aquarium bottom is not absolutely necessary for most turtles and makes cleaning more challenging. If a substrate is preferred, choose river rocks or gravel large enough that will not fit in the turtle's mouth, as some will eat it. African side-neck turtles naturally burrow at the bottom of rivers or ponds and may benefit from an area that has gravel or sand. Fully aquatic turtles like soft-shell turtles and matamatas should have a dry area with sand to prevent injuries to their softer shells. Turtles produce a relatively large amount of waste, which can quickly foul the water. A high-quality filtration system and frequent partial to full water changes are critical, as is weekly water quality testing to be sure the filter is keeping the water clean. If water testing shows that water quality is poor, usually high ammonia or nitrite, a more powerful filter or more frequent water changes are necessary. Adding food directly to the main tank makes it difficult to keep clean. Consider teaching your turtle to eat in a separate aquarium with just water for feeding. This helps keep the main tank clean. Reptiles can be asymptomatic carriers of salmonella and other bacteria. Thoroughly wash your hands after contact with your turtle or your turtle's enclosure, and never clean turtle caging in the kitchen, sink, or the bathtub. As a general rule, turtles should not be owned by young children, especially those likely to put items in their mouth or unlikely to wash hands. Common problems in aquatic turtles are often the result of poor nutrition and husbandry, and include bacterial infections, ear abscesses, conjunctivitis, and internal parasites. Careful research and a consultation with an experienced reptile veterinarian can help your aquatic turtle live a long and healthy life.